Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to view quote tweets on X. Okay, so first of all, let's open X application on my device and let me go to specific post that I'm interested in, that I want to check, and I have to tap on it to open its details. And now in the top right corner of your screen you have to tap three-dot button and select the option that says view post interactions, and please make sure that you're in the section quotes right here at the top. And here you can see all the quote posts to this original post. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.